Hey everyone, welcome to the ServiceNowStar. On today's episode, I'm gonna go ahead and share one ServiceNow tips and tricks. This is part of automation. So it is recently we have heard two cyber attacks, right, into a US company. One is on the energy part, and the other one is on the food. So when we think of that kind of cyber attack, maybe it might put us in a situation where we might think, hey, are we doing it, based on the ServiceNow best practice, whatever application that we are building in our instance? One of the things is that you might go ahead and create a table, right, for your company, table to store data. So that table should have a security on it. When you create a table, a module, and when you create that table from the beginning, you should have to put roles on it. Who need to have a role to read, to update, create, or insert data to that table. So controlling that kind of things can be done by creating some checks, healthy checks into your instance. So if you are thinking, for example, to upgrade your instance, you might wondering what part of the your instance is done based on the ServiceNow best practice and what part is not. So that kind of thing can easily be checked using a check. So that can check automatically run for you, and you can check your instance holds. Not only that, you can also check for vulnerability. Two types of vulnerability in this case you can implement, and today I'm going to show you. One is performance vulnerability. Maybe are you going to in the long run have an issue of performance? That's very important. You might be creating a very beautiful looking great forms for your end user, but it's not all about that. It's about performance, how fast your instance is responding to your user. It's like querying the database. How fast are you getting the data? All that things are need to be considered while you are developing, not after you developing and done your work. And the other query is that one is a performance and the other is security wide. So you have a number of access controls you may need to implement in your several tables you have creating it in your instance. So which tables have the appropriate security protocols, or are they following the best practice? All those things can be and easily checked using automation. Just gonna create them once, and then if you wanna execute every month, could be you can execute them automatically by scheduling them, and you can have that report in a monthly fashion or in bi-weekly fashion as far as you set it appropriately. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, welcome to the ServiceNowStar. This is your dependable ServiceNowStar, Mohammed Rashid Kamal. For those of you who are new to the ServiceNowStar, make sure you subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and be live shortly in YouTube so that you can have whenever we go live, so you can go ahead and have that notification set out to you. If you go ahead and click the bell icon, that will help you to get notification directly. So here in ServiceNowStar, we do a number of things on ITSM area, ITBM area, governance, risk, and compliance. Not only that, advanced performance analytics, and also portal development, ServiceNow portal applications. So custom widgets, all those good stuffs are here for you. Not only that, if you are trying to get some information on the Delta exam, which you need to take it every new release, and that's also something you can get some information here, as well as if you would like to take your certification, or if you have any interview, you can also find some interview questions here and tips and tricks including. So again, this is Mohammed Rashid Kamal. I'll see you in the YouTube live. Go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you there.